again for another night here. So another interesting night. We had we had a really serious discussion on Ethereum, right, on Monday. But now it's time for Polkadot. Okay, your favorite blockchain like Polkadot, which is really what we focused on the last season of Crypto Moon. And for this season, we are taking it one step forward. We're focusing on NFTs. See, we like to focus on the hot ones because I always believe that the hot ones are where the opportunities are. So let's do a share screen here. And yeah, let's go share here. So what is happening today, guys? Okay. But before we go into Polkadot here and Kusama here, well, they seem to be in an uptrend, right, man? They seem to be in a nice uptrend. It's just going up. Well, you see here that, okay, Bitcoin is struggling now, struggling with 55 since 61. It kind of dipped here to around 53, struggling to maintain 55, which is psychological. And here you see our infamous Ethereum now has already dipped below this support line here. Again, I'm quite disappointed that it cannot even go past 2000. So let's see what's happening with Polkadot. Again, still a very strong uptrend here. Okay, it has had a very strong uptrend since it broke out here at 6. Of course, we were buying around 4, and just look at that. And but it also is struggling to go to 40, right? So 34, and finally, Kusama, the little brother of Polkadot. Oh, it is up again, right? Hey, man. Hello, little brother of Polkadot. Where are you now? So again, another strong uptrend, right? I mean, this has been super strong, guys. Super strong. It broke up here and about 131. I think I actually talked to you about this at 130, 140, and now it is almost double there. Now, before we go on, that just to emphasize that nothing in this show is meant to be a buy or sell call. This is for educational purposes, but it is what I am doing for my portfolio. Okay, but if you are going to engage in buying or selling, please consult your financial advisor. Okay. So again, this is more better than Ethereum, right? Because look at Ethereum, it's just struggling. But look at this. You guys know on Monday, right? We had problems sending out the tokens that we wanted to send out on Sunday. So I just canceled the transactions, and look now. Now I even have to wait for it to be canceled. Okay. So after canceling, it's like pending on canceling. What's going on? Hey, if you guys feel something about this, whether it's funny or whether you feel like, oh my gosh, give me a like, guys. Give me a like, give me a share, give me a comment. Look at this. So, this is why last season we emphasized on Polkadot. Of course, Ethereum did very well also. And I believe now that the cycle of cryptos actually is going to be extended. I'm quite sure that this is going to be extended. Okay, that's about Polkadot. I'll tell you why. I'm just going to draw here, right? Because I'm going to draw here because there is a new kid coming on the block now. This is a very interesting kid, and it's the emphasis of our classes this season, right? It's called NFTs. So this is not only about crypto. So if cryptos has a cycle that goes from, say here, whatever it was, June, okay, or rather this was during the start of the Bitcoin halving last year. And if it's supposed to go around here, I think that we will extend it with NFTs. We will extend it a little bit longer with NFTs, okay? So this will make it a little bit longer and all the more better for us, which is why this season we are going into NFTs. So those who joined the class this season, I mean, you guys are lucky, guys, okay? You guys are lucky, guys, because guess what? You are learning cryptos and also NFTs. How about that? You guys love that, right? Give me a like, guys. Give me a like. I deserve a like for this, right? So let's go now. Before we go there, let's go into NFTs for a while. I mean, this is like totally surprising. What is this? I don't want this. Yet I don't want that free resource. Hey, refresh this, guys. Refresh this. Look at what they said here. Okay, I mean, this is incredible. Sneakers, non-fungible token sneakers. Okay, Sneakers that don't yet exist are even selling for like 3 million in just 7 minutes. 7 minutes, like 3 million. How many sneakers is that? Okay, look at that. 3 pairs. Okay, they sold 3 pairs yesterday. Just look at this, and they don't even exist. $3,000, okay? $5,000 and $10,000, okay? By Design Studio RTFKT. And the 18-year-old, he's only 18, la ferocious, okay? You're 18. That's cool. 608 pairs were minted, netting the sellers 3.08 million. Now look at that. That's just, I don't even know what's going on. Do you like that? That's like, I don't know whether this is 3,000 or 5,000 or 10,000, but yesterday when I did go to the site, they said that immediately after it sold, okay, immediately after it sold, these sneakers were already, and that was yesterday on CNBC, okay, immediately after it sold, they were already being flipped for plus 50%. That's not bad, you know, that means you buy it for like 5,000, right? You buy it for like 5,000. I'm sure they're more expensive now. You can sell it immediately for like 7,500. That's $2,500 in like minutes, man. That's just super crazy. Okay, so let's see what's happening on the Bitcoin world. You guys didn't forget Bitcoin, right? Yeah, it is a jackpot, Anton. Yeah, that's why you have to wait, and you have to be good with, yeah, you have to be good with your wallets. Okay, so Julie, yeah, Julie's having fun with this right? You're having fun with all this Ethereum thing. So Bitcoin price dips under 55K. Now, if you're in Forex, I'm going to emphasize why Forex knowledge is also critical. It's going down because US bond yields touch 13-month highs. So it's also affecting stocks, and it's also affecting Bitcoin because Bitcoin is also a more of a risk on mechanism. Okay, so it's range bound. So they say now, you know, it dipped before this to 53. Now it's 54.425. But it's very important that we are able to stay above 55. Now, Mark Novogratz. Who's Mark Novogratz? Mark Novogratz actually recommended, and Brian took this trade, okay? Mark Novogratz was someone who actually said, you know, when asked that, you know, what altcoin would you invest in, Mark? And Mark Novogratz here, which is Brian's best friend, actually said it was Luna. And I believe Brian took the buy at 60 cents, and it's now like $19, okay? It's now $19. That's more than 3 times, okay? So Mark Novogratz bought it at 56.5. I guess that's supposed to make us better, right? Yeah, Mark Novogratz bought it at 56.5. I believe Michael Saylor bought Bitcoin at what? Michael Saylor bought it at 57 something, but of course he was buying at lower prices. So that's just to comfort you guys, okay? But also look at Forex Factory tonight. What's going to happen tonight, guys? Here, FOMC economic projections. It's now 2 a.m. Singapore, not 3. Maybe you can wake up and see what it's all about, because it's not 3 anymore, right? So look at this FOMC statement. So what will happen tonight is also key for Bitcoin. Okay, it's not only about Bitcoin and all this flight to safety and all that. It's also about Forex and all the interest rates. Okay, and also the bond yields. Okay, but here, New York Digital Investment Group, major firms will announce Bitcoin milestones next week. I don't know what it is. Okay. So Bitcoin price double in 75 days. So how long until the next 100 leg up? We already said, right? If it breaks that level, man, it is going to go up until 100. Let's see when it breaks. But this is very interesting. Tweet, Trump. Hey, guys, they can even sell Trumps. This is amazing. I don't want to go there. Look at this. Do you guys can dance? Hey, does any one of your kids can dance? Can some of them dance? I'm sure your kids have good movement, right? You can even make it into an NFT and sell it. You know, at least rather than getting on your nerves, you can monetize your kid, man. I mean, well, give him the money, okay? Don't keep it for yourself, okay? The beauty in the street performing arts. Look at this, guys. I'm not going to go to the green, but look at this. This company, the Recount, is even going to sell this as an NFT. You know that Trump said a lot of kind of funny things, right? Or wrong things, or right things, no matter how you put it. But it kind was like a defining moment. The viral tweet sharing a video that collated President Trump's eccentric coronavirus statements from March 2020. I don't know. Does Trump get a piece of this? I don't know how they do this. Who does this belong to? I always thought it was belonged to Trump. I don't know. Now it belongs to what? Now it belongs to Recount. Hey, this is weird. That means, can you guys like what? Can you guys make my sayings into an NFT? Oh my God. Hey guys, share with me, okay? Do the right thing and share me. I mean, I would share it with Trump. I mean, guys, don't do this to Trump, okay? I would want to share it with Trump no matter what, okay? Be kind, okay? Be kind, okay? So let's go now into Polkadot, because you guys are now wondering, right? After all this, we now have to figure out for you guys how to go into Polkadot, because you're saying, oh no, when Winnie came in, she was buying around 50s, right? Winnie was buying around the 50s. It's not even here, yeah. Yeah, the squad, the current Crypto Moon squad was buying around 50, 40, and now it's like 314. Where do you even buy, right? And same thing for Polkadot. Well, this is what I am going to teach you something today. Don't look at this price, okay, guys? When you want to do this, we do not look at this price. I'm just going to give you the formulation, okay? I'm just going to draw here. Hey, how come it won't allow me to draw? Let me allow me to draw here. Annotation format here. Don't think about all this price. You got to understand that this price is relative, okay? Because Polkadot is about staking. You understand that? So let's go and see Kusama, right? Polkadot and Kusama is about staking. For those that haven't been following us, that means if you buy Kusama, of course, the people buying Kusama here are so happy, right? They have a big smile like this. But if you buy here, you are thinking a different way. You know, if you buy at the top here, you are thinking a different way, because what you want to do is to use Kusama to get another token. You understand that? You want it to get another token, and this token could be X. And this token X would then go higher and higher than your Kusama. That's how you have to think. Because if you are thinking Kusama is 314, guess what? You won't even buy it, right? You are waiting for the dump, which I don't know when it's coming, right? I don't know. I'm not sure. So you have to think that this is where your Kusama is used to get another token. And this is the formula on Polkadot. So let's see it, and let's then follow it up with an example. Look at here. See, Polkadot. Polkadot has parachains, right? These are the chains that connect to the main Polkadot network, A, B, C, D, E, or whatever. There is a fixed number of parachains, and they will auction this out, okay? They auction this. It is an auction process. You get this? Yes, one of them is Moonbeam. We're gonna go with that. It is an auction process. And in order to get this auction, it can be DOT, or the other one is it can be KSM. So what Moonbeam, the company that we're going to talk about doing, is that it will do a DOT auction. And no, it's not going to do a DOT auction. This is going to be a crowd sale, okay? But it's definitely going to do a KSM auction. This is for a token called Moon River, right? This is for a token called Glimmer, okay? So again, this is the difference now. Look, your Polkadot or your Moon, your Kusama, whatever now, look at that. Everything has two chains now, okay? The testnet, kind of the testnet, the experimental testnet, where you can run things, but these are real applications where you run things first before you migrate to Polkadot. It's called Kusama, and Moon River will run here first. We can look at it here, right? Okay, here, yeah, Glimmer and River, the utility tokens of the Moonbeam and Moon River networks. Okay, this is Glimmer network, Moonbeam, Polkadot, right? The relay chain. The main chain is on Polkadot, but before they run here, they want to test it out. Where do they test it out at? River, Moon River, right? Kusama, it is on Kusama. So when Polkadot, you always have to think in twos, which is cool. which is, I really love that. That means that, there's a lot of things actually to do in the Moonbeam network this time around. No, not Moonbeam, but Polkadot network. It is not over yet, but you have to think differently. Sorry guys, I don't think it goes to 50 here. I don't even think it can go back to 100, okay? Definitely there will be kind of a dip one day. I mean, I can imagine it going to here, but I don't see it going back down to 100 or 50 anymore. So you guys got to forget that. This is a different approach. So when you are locking Kusama inside Moon River here, inside here, right? You're locking Kusama inside Moon River. You get river tokens, okay? You get river tokens, okay? And if you are calculating correctly, this means that you are allowing Moonbeam to lock KSM, your KSM, which is your Kusama here, and then you are rewarded with river. This is how you do the ROI. The value from river should go higher than whatever your Kusama is, because you get this back. It's like a refund, they don't take it from you. You will get it back. This time, I think it's going to be about 2 years. You'll get it back after 2 years, but you already made money here, right? So you're happy, right? This didn't go anywhere, but you get to enjoy the gains from river. And people are so excited. Yes, correct, Julie is right. When you stay, you're clever, Julie, you've improved. Julie has improved. Yeah, so when you stake KSM, correct, you get river tokens as an airdrop. Man, you are good. No, you can't do it in Binance. You cannot do it in Binance. They will give us the address where to keep the KSM, okay? Because what they're going to do is, where's that thing? Yeah, they're going to apply for a parachain on KSM. This is for Polkadot. This is for, there's going to be another KSM. And what they do here is there is going to be something called a candle auction. Yeah, like candlestick, but it's not candlesticks, okay? So candle auction were actually in the UK, okay? In England, actually, they at the ports, right? They just put a candle on, and then when the candle goes out like that, that is the final price, okay? That is the final price of the auction, okay? When the candle goes out. So there are going to be a lot of candle auctions, not only for Moonbeam, for a lot of things, like Akala. That's like Akala, right? Akala, Karura. Karura is on KSM. I believe Akala is on Polkadot, okay? So there's going to be a lot of these coming. So the Polkadot story has not died. I know you guys are saying it's expensive to do Polkadot. Even for Polkadot, it's all expensive. Yes, but there are other things coming. Not only that, now I think Polkadot and Gavin Wood has done something good. Now, you're going to say that, what if that thing is useful? What if they don't have enough money, or what if they don't have enough loyal people like Julie and Sui here in order to give up their Kusama for 2 years in order to get river tokens, right? What are we going to do? Don't worry lah. So look at this, right? Kusama jumps ahead of the upcoming parachain. It's supposed to be this month. It's going to come out anytime soon. You see that? Parachain roll out. But don't worry, guys. If you don't have money, or some of this are good for the public good, Polkadot is coming also with this common good parachains, right? Launch of common good parachains. Okay, so initially there was 100 slots only. With an auction process, we said that's the candle auction for who gets to lease the parachain. Okay, according to the team on February 25th, some slot will be made available for governance allocated parachains, common good parachains. Okay, and these common good parachains have been conceived to address the so-called free rider problem. So you can go to the free ride. This is interesting, So the free rider is best understood with reference to an analogy. Suppose levy is imposed on a car manufacturers to offset pollution. But what if you go on a bicycle? Hello. What if you take a bicycle? Why would you have to pay for that, right? I mean, well, a bicycle should be considered, well, kind of free or cheaper, right? So the governance process will earmark the parachain slots for consideration out with the auction process. This is good. That means it is determined by Polkadot's overall governance council. This is very, very good. So now you guys are excited for airdrops. Man, you guys really like airdrops now. So I mean, I think this is really, really great. So what is happening now? Now you want to know, right? What's happening with Moonbeam? Is it gonna go up? What are the developments? That's what you're gonna ask. Because if it is making progress, then only then should you decide to buy Kusama and basically keep it and basically stake it when it's the time to get your airdrops. Man, you guys are clever. Wayne, you can ask me the question there, okay? You can ask me the question there. And what's happening there? Now, this is getting quite exciting because I know John is here, right? Look, John, they came out even with a Moon River, man. They came out with, I can't believe this. Look at it. Listen to this. So maybe John can even create a song, right? That's a Moon River song. Hey, John, can you come up with something better than this? Can you come up with something better than this? Yeah, so staking Kusama for 2 years is different, okay? Then you get an airdrop of River, right, guys? This is different from Litecoin, where you put in Litecoin, you buy Litecoin, and then you get the Flare token, which is really bringing a lot of DeFi stuff and Ethereum level stuff into Litecoin. No, it's different. No, it's different. Remember, Sui, the parachains here are different. In order to get the parachain, you need to stake Kusama, and some of them you need to stake Polkadot. So you have to ask, hey, what's up, what's up, what's up? What is happening, guys? What is happening with Moonbeam? Well, a lot of things are happening. Look, so now they are off in a lot of shows here. Like, look here, Polkadot DeFi Alliance. They're going to be here on March 18th, 4 p.m. Central Time. You can go and listen to this. Register here. Polka Defiance. Polka Defiance. This is polkadefiance.com. That's kind of a weird name. Okay, that's really, really a weird name. But look at this, Moon Builders Workshop. Look at this. You will learn how Moonbeam from a technical perspective. Now, what Moonbeam does is this, okay? So you guys know, yeah. For those of you that are new here, I'm going to go for this for a while, okay, so that you really understand if you really want to lock in your Kusama, right? So you know a lot of applications are already on Ethereum, right? Okay, Julie and gang knows that. But you know we got problems with Ethereum, right? The devs are here, the developers are here. But you can see the struggles we are getting with Ethereum, right? I mean, you see it already in the way it's even hard to transfer. In fact, this afternoon when I wanted to do a swap, it cost me like $43, guys. US $43. Now you understand where the discount is coming from, right? This is like 170 ringgit just to do a swap. I wanted to do a swap. It took away like 10% of my profit. I'm like, what is that? Hello, what is that? So what if the Ethereum apps, and they have a lot of applications here, right? They have a lot of applications on Ethereum, can be ported to Polkadot, okay? Because Moonbeam is going to run on Polkadot, okay? And Polkadot development layer is called Substrate. What if, okay, so that you guys know what Moonbeam is all about, what if that these applications can be dropped into Substrate without a lot of changes through something built here called the Ethereum virtual machine? Then you will see a lot of applications are going to be migrated to Polkadot, and that will make it easy. So when you want to evaluate a project, guys, I'm going to tell the secret to you here. Please know what it's about. So what we are about to go through is this happening? Is Moonbeam bringing Ethereum applications onto Polkadot so that Julie, how many days have you waited, Julie? Julie doesn't have to, oh my God, I am embarrassed, Julie. I am totally embarrassed. 3 days for her tokens. Yes, John, the gas will go down in price so that Julie will not have to wait 3 days for the tokens, okay? You have to see that if Moonbeam is going this, hey, then Moon River is a good choice. That's through Kusama, of course, okay? You guys understand what we are doing, right? So this is very, very important. And we want to know also next, right? Okay, if you guys are planning to go in, what is the rest of the guys doing? What are the guys that are getting stimulus planning to do? Do you guys know? Who knows, guys? What are the guys getting stimulus planning to do? I'm going to show you. Look at this. How are they being spent? 10% of stimulus checks used to buy stocks and Bitcoin. Oh my God. After they pay the rent, after they pay the food, they are going to buy stocks and Bitcoin. Now, when they put in Bitcoin, I think this is more of a general term because Bitcoin will also include the other cryptocurrencies, okay? 40% will use the money to invest. Oh my God. And what are they investing in? Hey, look here, guys. Look here. I want to show you something here. Bitcoin and stocks, okay? Now, if you look at the last Trump stimulus, what happened when Trump released the $600? Guess what? Go and look at the calendar. That was when Polkadot, guys, that was when Polkadot went up. So now you're excited, right? Oh no, is Kusama going up some more? You want to buy Kusama, blah, blah, but why? What's happening to Moonbeam? You guys got to check it out. And the best source is actually through what? The best source is actually through Medium. You guys got to be checking out their Medium, guys. Okay, now let's go and check the Medium for Moonbeam. Okay, let's see what they're doing. Hey, look at this. So look at this, guys. Moonbeam and Seascape team up, okay? Moonbeam and Seascape team up to provide what? Wait, where's this? Hey, where did it go to? I don't want to go here. No, Moonbeam and Seascape. Yeah, boost the NFT. Hey, look at this. NFT market on Polkadot. So Seascape is developing a game exclusive to Moonbeam. Awarded a grant from the Moonbeam Foundation. Let's see. What is Seascape? Okay, let's go to CoinGecko. Okay, let's get ready and go to CoinGecko here. These are real companies, okay? If we can, we will see this. If not, then you'll just see me type in CoinGecko. Okay, next. So this is real, right? Next. Moonbeam and Subscan partner to launch substrate-based block explorer for Moonbeam Alpha Testnet. Hey, isn't this like Etherscan? Wouldn't you want to know whether your Kusama is actually going into the Moonbeam network and getting there, right, Julie, and not waiting several days for it? And John said, right, with low gas. Isn't this cool? Next, another one. What is here? Now, this is big. Seascape, and actually, this one is big, guys. Dang, dang. Look at this. This is big. Balancer. Balancer programmable liquidity is coming to Moonbeam and Polkadot. So they're working with Parity. Parity is the Polkadot parent, okay, to initially port the Balancer protocol to Medium. Balancer is a decentralized account. Balancer also hold IDOs, initial DEX offering, right? This new listing of cryptos, which you guys want to go to. We are going to look at Balancer, and guess what, guys? John's prayers have been answered, because you know what? Guess what? It's coming to Polkadot. You like less gas fees, right? So look what this Polkadot-based assets such as DOT and other parachain tokens will be made available as ERC20, which is Ethereum, to the instance of Balancer on Moonbeam. So the thing on Balancer sees the Polkadot token as Ethereum, so it just works very, very quickly. This is cool. And let's look at our infamous CoinGecko now. The very, very famous CoinGecko, actually. It's not infamous. It's very, very famous. And let's look at Balancer. It is already something that is listed. So I just want you to see that these are workable projects and they are already starting on Moonbeam. And where are they going to test it on? Kusama, right? Kusama. And look at Balancer here. Look, it's already on CoinMarketCap. Look, it's already there, rank 104. It is a real project here. What do we see here? Can we open this? Let's just open Balancer Exchange here. What is Seascape? Okay, what is Seascape? This is going to sound weird, but Seascape, you have to put in at CWS, crowns. This is actually Seascape. Let's go and look at crowns now. In the meantime, do we have this, guys? Do we have this? Where is this one? Yeah, river and that there. What is this? Okay, look at this. Moonbeam also has an NFT. Look, it's called the Polkadot Moonbeam Polkadot. Did you guys get it? You guys missed it, right? So you now see, right now Julie's looking at this. I hope your son is here, Julie, and you're seeing like, okay, which one looks good? Maybe a new token now has all Polkadot. Maybe you guys should get it because I saw the one on Clasm like 5 times overnight. Hey, maybe now we'll have a team of people looking after NFTs, right? Because they also rise like new tokens, guys. Isn't that exciting? Okay, so again, let's see here. Do we have CWS? It's slow again, yeah. And Balancer is still coming out. Oh my God, it's still coming out. But let's go here. Yeah, this is Crown, Seascape. This is Seascape Network, guys. And look at this. I'm going to just pull this out. I hope it comes out. I hope I have enough bandwidth for it to come out because I would like you guys to see this, okay? Seascape Network, or you guys can go Seascape Network afterwards. It is something for NFT. So how do you like that? How do you like Moonbeam coming also to NFTs? I mean, with cheap gas. John is typing cheap gas. Yeah, John, this polka, whatever, polka pad. Yeah, the Moonbeam polka pad, this giving the power to Seascape. I know you don't see it, is slow, right? But you can go to Balancer Exchange afterwards and you can actually go to Seascape here. I should have done this earlier. I'm sorry for that. But anyway, what I'm telling you is this: with Moonbeam providing the power, right? And Moonbeam has 2, right? Whether River or Glimmer, providing the power to NFTs here, providing the power to exchanges like Balancer, providing the, yeah, this is Balancer, guys. So Moonbeam will be running this, and this is Seascape. This is another, yeah, look at this, guys. NFT, just as we were about to finish. Thank God for that. Providing the DeFi economy. The question is, are you guys ready for Glimmer, which is running on the Moonbeam network? And are you guys ready for River? If you are, just say, I am possible. Hold the line because you got to be holding the line for 2 years. Bye-bye, guys.